guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl TJ in the motherfucking building, okay? I'm here with Miss Aaliyah, okay? We have Aaliyah from Outre. This is a lace front synthetic unit, and I am all the way here for it. Aaliyah got me feeling myself, and that's on period, okay? If you guys are interested in seeing how we install this today, don't forget to stay tuned. Also, make sure you guys are subscribed. Alright guys, so I'm super excited to be announcing that I am launching a store, and it's going to be opening very soon. So if you guys want to stay up to date with everything I have going on over there, don't forget to follow my store Instagram page. My store name is Jolie Amour, okay? Jolie Amour. Okay, so yeah, I hope you guys enjoy today's video. I'm super excited. Y'all, I don't know how people wear matte lipstick because my lips be feeling dry. So yeah, today we do have the melted hairline lace front wig, okay? This, come on, we about to start already. We about to do this. Whew. Anyway, we're doing another synthetic review. Today we do have melted hairline and his house, okay? She is, oh, her name is Aaliyah, okay? Hey girl, hey, what's up? I do have her in the color 1B. She comes in all different types of colors, okay? Again, y'all already know how I rock with that Amazon Prime. So this is how well, this is where I got this one from as well. It says no plucking required, baby hairs included, pre-attached wide elastic band, heat resistant fiber, safe up to 400 degrees. We're gonna take her out of the package. She looks pretty. Hopefully she's not shiny. I didn't get around to getting any shampoo, like dry shampoo. Okay, so this is what she's giving us, y'all. Y'all see that? She does look a little shiny, but hopefully I can tone it down. I don't have any dry shampoo, but I can run my hands through it, y'all. Y'all see me? This is the only time I would ever run my hands through hair coming out of the pack is when it's straight, because it's already straight. And she is so soft. She is soft. Like, come on now. Outre, y'all about to do the dang thing. Look at this, y'all. Come through. Outre, I know we not doing it like this. What? Look how they plucking. Honey, nobody is about to be coming for me in these streets. Not today, not with this specific one. What? Okay, so this is the inside. I'm loving that it's giving lace. This is how much of the lace that's in here. Ew, I'm scared that I'm gonna have to put foundation underneath of it. I don't like putting foundation underneath my laces anymore. And if y'all see spots and stuff on my arm, y'all know eczema is in flare up. So my skin is looking trashy right now. When I say trashy, it looks so tight. Oh man, I gotta get my small mirror. Now this is tight, okay? Y'all done messed me up already. It's tight, look. I'll try. What is this? It's tight. Like, this is my hairline and this is where it's sitting. So I'm gonna have to cut the lace off in order to fit it on. This is tight. It's constructed very small. It look like, because it's super tight. Oh Jesus. Now this color of this lace, you definitely got to tint it, unless you're this skin complexion. But if you're not and you go around outside like this, bro, okay, this lace is tight. Like, Outre, why did y'all do that? Why did y'all construct it like this? I can't even say this is big head friendly, because even me trying to pull it up, it's very tightly constructed. So I'm telling you now, if you got a big head, sis, this ain't the one. So yeah, y'all, I'm just taking my powder. This is the Morphe bronze pour powder, and I'm just placing it on the inside of my lace because I don't feel like using foundation today, and I feel like when I use a darker shade it just blends better. Okay, so I'm gonna install it with my Wig Dealer melting spray, y'all, with humidity resistance. This stuff will get me through them hot days, okay? Yeah, so what I'm doing now is just putting powder on the parts of the lace that is seeping through, because that doesn't look good. And I'm also going back over it and put it on the outside of the lace so that when I lay down my scarf, it will look well blended. This side ain't all the way stuck down, so it is fully ear to ear, but it's tight like this. So I'm gonna be back in about 10 minutes so we can just let everything sit. I'm gonna detangle it real quick while we wait. Jesus, look at her. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and plug in my flat iron as well. I mean, not flat iron, my hot comb, because we definitely getting into this baby. Okay, so we are getting a few snags here and there, but like I said, I just cut into the unit and detangled it, but she bounces back. If you want to wear your bonnet, wear your bonnet. If you don't want to wear your bonnet, don't wear your bonnet. Alright guys, so we back. I'm taking this off now. Let's see what they do underneath of here. Ooh, I left it on too long. I did because I got a line. Okay, but we about to get this right. I'm not using no wax stick. I told y'all about that in my last video. I was like, don't use no wax, don't use no wax. Okay, all right, I think I got it straight as we gonna get it. Take my hot comb and go in lightly. I'll turn this hot comb down. I think this wig is workable though. Like, I was really about to like toss this wig in the trash. Not literally, but okay, I think I'm gonna do my baby hairs in silence today. I want to finish watching, who was I watching? Catherine Bedell.
I tend to like the people.
My screen is dirty. But her.
But yeah, I was like Megan. So when I saw that she was going to be on the show,
I just love her. I love her chit chats especially. So I'm gonna continue to watch that and finish up these baby hairs, and we'll be back. Okay, so I don't know when y'all gonna see this, but I know I've been using the hell out of this product. This product, can I open it? Open? Yeah, this product, the baby Hair Goo hair gel. When I tell y'all this is the business, this stuff I swear by it. This stuff, baby hairs be on freaking fleek. And her wax stick, because I got all of her stuff. The wax stick, and I got the sleep mist. When she said her stuff is bomb, oops, ow. When she said her stuff is bomb, y'all, it's not cap. It's not cap, and I swear by that 100%. Alright guys, so as you guys can see, this is the end of the video. It is the end of the video, and y'all know we had our ups and downs during this video. Now let's just get into the overall details of this unit. Now when I took the unit out of the package, y'all, I thought it was gonna be a bob, like straight out. Like, hairline is on fleek, everything is super duper natural looking. I was all the way here for it. Then I put on a wig. As y'all should know, when I put on a wig, it was kind of tight. So the construction of it is, I wouldn't say it's big head friendly, so that's a point docked already, because it's not, no, if you got a big head, I don't know how you're gonna make it be, I don't know how you're gonna make it fit on your head. It was super tight, so I had to cut the lace off. So I wouldn't say it's big head friendly, so if you got big head, I'm sorry. Like, my big head barely fit in here, okay? As far as the texture, y'all, I love this texture. Like, I thought it was gonna be too silky and look too like fake looking. I do see a shine on the camera, and I'm looking in the mirror, I see shine too. So as you guys can see, and like I said, with the density with straight hair, I feel like this is a thicker type of straight hair, but it's like textured, so it's giving us textured. it's not like bone straight, but it's actually giving us like thickness towards the end. So the density is more gray at the end, which I do love, because I don't want no thin hair from the root to the tip, if that makes sense. So yeah, it was giving us that. As far as shedding, this unit is shedding, okay? I'm not saying it's coming out in clumps, but it is giving me, like, every time I pull, no, I'm lying, I'm capping, it's not coming out like that. But I guess it's because where I cut the lace off behind the ear, it was shedding, and I thought it was continually shedding, but I was capping, y'all. I'm sorry. If you guys wear synthetic wigs on a regular, you guys are used to it tangling up to a certain degree. I would say for me, being that I have air on, ceiling fan, a little fan here blowing, it's tangling a little bit more for my liking. That's why I say if I would go outside on the beach, I know this unit would tangle, because it's just tangling with me having my fan on, blowing on it. Like, you can tell it's layers in there, but it's just like as soon as the wind start blowing, it start pushing it this way, so it's not set in stone. So you would need a brush with you to make sure that when you're, you know, everything is going in the right direction. This unit would be one I would not go out the house without my brush with, because honey, it would probably have me looking all types of crazy, you know. It's not a bad unit at all, but I'm just letting you guys know how I genuinely feel about this unit. It's like I said, it's bomb. Like I said, it's bomb, but it's not giving me that wow factor, like, okay, this is the one, you know, this is the one. I mean, maybe I'm just picking, y'all. Maybe I'm just picking. I could be picking, but that's just my thoughts. Like I said, it's not bad, but it's just those little minor issues that really docked a lot of points off of this unit. It's super cute, but I know it's gonna tangle up on me, and I know that the bumps in it's just gonna go all kinds of ways. It's not gonna stay uniformed, if that makes sense. So that is pretty much it for this video. If you guys enjoyed, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, share, and comment, and all that good stuff. And don't forget to follow my store page so you guys can keep updated with everything I have going on. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and until next time, your girl, see you later. Bye guys.